Okay, let's roll it. Where's that coming from? That?
Or just in general,
Or
that
that.
spot.
It,
Oh, it could be that. That's very cool.
Wow.
Is it just that pitch or other one? No, it's just that one. Very cool.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, well.
Okay. Hey guys, Jason Catrone here.
Carlos Santiago.
And we're Vocal Lab Collective. I almost said we are Wish Bus.
We are
75. Because it's on my mind, because that's clearly what we're going to do today.
We wish.
For you. We're going to wish.
We wish we were 107.5ing with them on the bus.
Yes, we sure do. Maybe one day that can happen.
Yeah, make it happen.
Make it happen. You know, so it's, rewind that. You know what else you can make happen right now?
Hit that subscribe.
Bam, 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 hit it. Do your thing. We just learned something. No.
Oh, yeah.
Do you hear that?
That's very cool.
Carlos made this sound earlier before we started filming, and he realized this thing sitting on the table is just a big
resonating chamber thing.
Resonating disc. And he came out of the bathroom and went, woo, like he always does.
Yeah.
And it's his bathroom call. Oh, I'm holding it now.
Oh, yeah, you're dampening
Anyway, we figured out that the pitch he made was the pitch that this bowl makes.
Yeah, it resonates.
Listen, we are not only singers, we are vocal coaches, we are pitch makers and trendsetters right here on the Vocal Lab Collective.
I like to say I have 99 problems, but a pitch ain't one.
Hey, I like that.
That's true.
That's actually very true too.
Yeah.
Shall we do this?
Yes.
What do we got today? We got
Stell.
Stell from SB19.
Diko Masabi live on
Wish Bus. We aren't going to wait any longer. Let's keep the people going. Oh, Wish exclusive. Oh,
straight into it. Perfect eyebrows.
Perfect eyebrows. And hair.
Yeah.
And lips. I mean, like, he's just got... I like that little ride. It's beautiful. There it was. All right. What note is that? Sounds so high, but I know
C.
Sounds like a G.
To him, yeah.
Right? Nice. gosh. Ah, tricked us. Hi, Carlos.
I wish it.
I don't even know what to say. Other than I don't think I can sing at all. Basically. Like,
Just why do I even try?
he lives up there.
Why?
He lives up there like it's not only his whole house and mansion, but he's just laying by the pool.
Out there doing cartwheels.
Just chilling. I mean, Stell, that was stupendous.
Oh, I was going to say stellar.
Oh, that would have been better. Yeah. That was stellar.
Stellendous.
Hey, I think Stell gets a golden cow for sure. Bing, bing, bing. Literally, that was incredible.
It was great.
Really, really great.
Yeah. There's so many things, you know, like in that little bridge part before he does the key change, he's going, like that thing. That's hard.
That's so hard.
Because you're literally on a G constantly the whole song, you know, and like he's unbelievable.
Unbelievable. I'm glad we did this.
Yeah, that's great.
This sent me to a whole new place today.
Yeah.
Stell, thanks for being stellar. Vocal Lab friends and fam out that way, thank you for being extra stellar. This has been a stellaric.
You know, we're going interstellar.
Ooh, that was cool how you did that. Oh. Until next time, I'm Jason Couture.
I am shaking Carlos Santiago.
And we are going to step into the Vocal Lab Collective Vortex.